No shit. It still works after I put it in water. Okay, so I'm sitting here.
Touch after touch, bacteria in your home.
What do we got going on here?
That's why Microban
Hey, you know that
doesn't just
that
sanitize
is.
and stop. Microban 24
You know what that is?
keeps
Hey, I got
killing
some money.
bacteria for 24 hours.
Give me whatever. I'm watching on the $5 golf course. I haven't swept it though, but I got my smokes and stupid phone and drinking beer and. But I put it through water today. I should upload a video here shortly. I submerged this motherfucker in water. And this is Stalin, by the way. You've met Stalin. This is my.
I feel like a little bit's not being really open with me about her anxiety because, like, I don't think she wants to admit it to herself.
Because he's
That
badass.
basically laid out the line about everything. Yeah, no, it's true.
But yeah, I submerged this motherfucker in water. I'll send you a photo if I choose to. I don't know. GoPro, stop recording.